Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd upload one of my favourite videos to watch, which is what's in my bag. So I have this Fiorelli Crossbody bag. It's called the Anna. I bought it a few years ago now, but they have very similar ones which I'll link below, in this gorgeous khaki. Khaki is not normally a colour I go for, but green is my mum's favourite colour, so I thought I'd try something a bit different when I bought it. I bought a tan one at the same time and I've finally worn through that, so I thought I'd do something a bit different. So this is it. It has a crossbody strap and it fits across me. I am very tall and I have a long chest, and I do find it hard sometimes to find ones that fit across me comfortably, but this does. So if you have the same issue, I do recommend Fiorelli bags, they are good. And then I've just put this scarf here on the side, which has this lovely swark pattern on it. It cost me £1 in Primark. Oh, actually it was a gift. My mum bought it for me. It was £1 in Primark, and it's just got pink, which is my colour. So both mine and my mum's colours, so I like it. So it's just got this pocket on the front, underneath the logo. There's nothing. All that I've kept in here is a tag from the purse that I bought, and then it's also got a pocket here in the back, which again I don't keep anything in. I like it quite slim. So now, let's see what I've got inside. So first is my phone. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yes, Pro Max, yeah. And then this gorgeous Burga case, which I absolutely love. They are definitely worth the money. And if you look, they do deals and stuff, so it's good. So I've got that. I also got this purse. It's from Bonas, and I absolutely love it. It's really slim, which I love. Height wise, it's really slim, which I thought was so unusual. It's got this pocket on the front. Yep. So it's just like that, and I really love it. It cost £28, so it is on the dearest side, but it was my birthday last month, and me and my mum, we did a shopping trip to Reading, in Berkshire, and it was just a treat for myself. We had gone to Oxford the previous month, and I had noticed it there, and I hadn't stopped thinking about it since then, so I thought, it's my birthday, I would treat myself. So it's the person I thought it just goes so perfectly with the khaki and the pink. I'm not normally a big fan of pink and orange, so they're just my preference, but my mum liked it, so I thought I'd go with it. So I've got some sanitizer. Just this makeup bag from Caroline Gardner with a E on it for Erin, my name. Yeah, so that just holds, you know, sanitary towels and stuff, plasters, whatnot, tissues, wipes. I'm always wiping down the table before I sit anywhere in public. It's just my thing. This is, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a scrap piece of paper from a delivery I had to pick up for my brother. This is, I haven't cleaned this out or anything. This is a receipt for a train trip to Windsor. I've got some hand cream. Now this is my favourite hand cream. This is Heathcote and Ivory. Sweet pea and honeysuckle. It just smells amazing. And they do like big bottles, and then they do a pack of 3, which is like perfect for handbag size. And it's in Sainsbury's, and it's also on Amazon as well, and other places. So it's very easy to get hold of. I've got this book, Words on Joy, that my granny gave me, and I always carry it in every bag. And then I've also got some boots vouchers. Okay, so that's the main pocket empty. And then in this kind of back pocket here, I've got my house keys. Hi, sorry about that. My mum rang. So anyway, where were we? Back to these pockets. So then I've just got some the tags and stuff. And then the last bit I've got in here is these tokens. So this is a bloodstone. And then these tokens. One is the kind of like a Clada token, and then a Irish blessing. If it loads, sorry. And then the footprints from the footprints prayer. So I bought these on holiday in Seaton and Devon, which we used to go to every year as a family. So I always carry them around, and then that's it. So what I carry in here, this is my everyday bag. I don't like carrying more than this really. This is all kind of my personal stuff. Oh yeah, I just found the tag, and it is the Ted khaki crossbody bag, not the Anna. So my apologies about that, but I will link below what I can find. I mean, I did buy this a few years ago now, so but I will link below the closest I can find, because I do really like their crossbody bags. They are really nice. So, and it all sits really nice in here. All this I talk about it like an art, but any woman, well, any person, doesn't have to just be a girl, any person knows, like, you streamline what you carry in your handbag every day. So over the years, and it's just fitted all back in there perfectly. So yeah, that's it. I'll link below what I can. I mean, most of it's very personal, but I like watching these videos just to give me, if I'm in a bit of a funk, just give me ideas on how I can further streamline or change my bag. Because if the bag doesn't work for you, then I'm a big believer in just getting rid of it, because it's just not worth the hassle. Something you're in and out of every day, make it work for you. I mean, I didn't mean this video to turn into this, but thank you for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.